With ARIVE Release 9.0, we have a new tab in our admin settings for ARIVE, and it is the Task Notifications tab. Pretty simple, but let's talk about it and walk through its various parts. Let's jump into it. Starting right up at the top, you're going to notice there's just some toggles on here. These are unlike the email templates that we have in email/SMS templates. There's no customizing. All you can do is toggle these on and off as of release 9.0. This may change in future releases, but as of time of recording, no change is possible here. Right up at the top, we have our daily update email. All users in your org will receive daily updates with information about all of their tasks. Now, important, all users. If you're only using this for specific teams, it doesn't matter. You're toggling it for everybody or nobody. Next up, hourly updates. This is the one you're most likely going to be asked to turn off. Send an hourly email summary of all tasks due today and assigned to each user. These updates are delivered only during business hours. You cannot define business hours at this time. We don't know what business hours they are based on the description of the field, but we do know that there is some sort of limit, so these should not be firing overnight. Use at your own risk. Next up, we have under the tasks subheading, we have two pieces. We have emails for task assignment and task unassignment. By default, task assigned emails are included, but also by default, task unassigned emails are not included. So if a task is unassigned or reassigned to someone else, this system does not tell you. Last but not least is mentions. Send an email to the mentioned user when mentioned in a note. Now, this is some default functionality already, but looks like you can enable it specific to tasks or potentially disable it specific to tasks. Now, how this is going to work if you disable this here, but you have the email template enabled elsewhere, requires additional testing. That being said, anytime someone is specifically mentioned, my best recommendation is going to be keep this setting on. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you rely on these videos to stay up to date, consider supporting the channel using the link down in the description. See you next time.